All right, hey there. Welcome to the 14th episode of The Daily Shed. All right, so today I'm going to be talking about playing a major scale on one string, and that probably sounds boring and even possibly ridiculous to you, but it's a great thing. It's a great thing for practicing. It's a great thing for flexibility. It's a great thing just for general knowledge. When I solo, and a lot of guitarists like Pat Metheny, even Joe Satriani, a bunch of others too, when they solo, they often go up and down one string. It makes sense visually. It makes sense. I think it enables you to think a bit more melodically than playing a scale pattern across, and I feel like you can get a lot of expression out of it with the one string. So basically, I'm just talking about playing a major scale on one string. So just like that, you know. Yeah, and it's really great for flexibility, even just going up and having one finger per note. You know, it's good for some big stretches. Try to get it real even, real regular, and have it be real clean. And to do that on all the strings, to do that up each string is a really good exercise. Just for speed and for flexibility. And another cool thing to do is to practice pull-ons and hammer-offs and pull-offs and hammer-ons in this way also. So try just picking the first note and hammering on the rest, or picking the first note and pulling off the rest. Not easy to do, and you have to slide a little bit into them. But to try to produce a note just with those actions is a really good exercise also, again, on all the strings. Yep, just to try to generate that note from it. And I use up and down, I play melodies up and down strings all the time. I think it's a really good thing to get used to, and definitely good for stretching and being able to play cleanly. So hope this is useful. As I mentioned, I'm going away for 2 weeks. I'll be back on March 3rd. I believe it's March 3rd, the Monday. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please let me know any comments or questions below. Thanks so much for watching.